Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can print pages you visit through the Shift AI browser. So let us dive into this. So navigate to the web page you would like to print, and there are two ways how you can do this in the Shift AI browser. Option number one, you right click into the given page, select print or use the shortcut Ctrl P. Then you will get redirected to that page, web page printing preview here. You can switch between colors and black and white colors here, customize more settings, for example, change the paper size, adjust the margins, and so on and so forth, the number of copies, the layout, portrait or landscape. So that's one way. Confirm by clicking into print. Make also sure that the given printer has been selected here as the destination printer. Option number two, you click into that gear icon in the top right, scroll down, and here select print under other, which is going to redirect you to the same menu we just talked about. That's how it works on the Shift AI browser in 2026. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.